Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can try to fix Bluetooth connection on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. If you have troubles with your Bluetooth device, it doesn't connect properly to your Samsung, or is there any other issue with your Bluetooth device, then you should definitely go to the settings. Now let's start by going to connections, and then over here let's go to Bluetooth. Now over here I am already of course connected to my Bluetooth device, but let's say that I am not, so let's actually close the earbuds. Now in order to try to fix, we can do the first attempt by forgetting the device on Samsung. So if you can find it on the list, it is under the paired device, but it doesn't work anyway, then we can open the settings on the right side, and then over here we can unpair our device. So let's do that. Now we can also restart our Bluetooth device, so not Bluetooth device, Bluetooth on our Samsung smartphone. So let's turn this off, let's confirm, and then in the meantime, for instance, we can open our Bluetooth device and we can enter the pairing mode. Now once we are in the pairing mode, we can turn Bluetooth on, and then we can wait and see if we can actually find our Bluetooth device on the list of available devices. If it's there, then of course you can simply tap and try to pair it, and then confirm that you want to pair it, and then give it a try. If that doesn't help, there is one more thing that you can do, and that is in the settings you want to go down and open General Management. Go to General Management, over here scroll down and go to Reset. There we go. And now scroll down and go to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So let's go. Let's reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So we want to reset these settings. And there we go. So I assume that is done. Now if we go back to the connections and Bluetooth, now we should not have our device connected. So one more time, let's run the pairing mode. Let's actually close and open one more time. And let's run the pairing mode, and now we can one more time give it a try. Now this time it says it couldn't connect, so as you can see right now I have the issue. So let's actually try one more time. If that doesn't help, there we go. So now it helps. So you might need to try to do that twice, like I just did. Now if that doesn't help, then of course you might need to hard reset your Bluetooth device, and of course this depends on the Bluetooth device that you have, because different devices have different methods of hard reset. And after all, if that doesn't help as well, so if you have hard reset your Bluetooth device and this doesn't work, the last thing that you can do is pretty much hard reset your whole device, your whole smartphone. So in this case, if you want to do the hard reset, then you can still go back to General Management, then over here one more time go to Reset, and then over here you have Reset All Settings, so you can try that, or Factory Data Reset. Now of course Factory Data Reset restarts everything on your Samsung. You will lose everything that you have on your device, so this is like the last thing that you should do if you really want to connect your Bluetooth device to your Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. However, I'm pretty sure that the first two steps, so the Bluetooth reset, the unpairing, and trying to connect the device one more time, as well as resetting the Bluetooth settings over here, this should work pretty much always. However, if it doesn't help and the hard reset doesn't help on your Bluetooth device, then the last thing that you can do is pretty much the factory data reset or reset all settings. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.